I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by connecting to the SQL Server instance and locating the database and table you need. Once connected, expand Object Explorer and right-click the table or view. This gets you to Tasks. Select Export Data to open the Import and Export wizard. You do this now because the wizard centralizes source selection and gives you a clear next step. Make sure your Windows or SQL credentials have read permission. Otherwise, the wizard can't access the data and will stop. Once the wizard opens, set the data source parameters and then pick a destination: CSV, Excel, another SQL database, or a flat file, because destination choice defines format and size limits. Next, opt to copy tables or write a query to filter rows and columns. Queries reduce transferred volume and speed up export. After selection, use the column mapping screen to resolve mismatch types and set truncation rules. Preview a sample to confirm formatting before you schedule, or run the export. You're ready to run. Choose Run Immediately or save the SSYS package for later automation, then execute. After completion, verify the destination by checking row counts, data types, and a few sample rows. This confirms success. If something goes wrong, inspect the wizard's error log and check permissions, destination free space, file locks, and data type mismatches. These are common culprits. Make sure to rerun a small test export after fixing issues to ensure the entire pipeline behaves as expected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.